So you guys might want to remember that, because it might be just a question for my next giveaway that I'm going to do with 1,000 subscribers. I'm just saying, I'm not saying it's gonna be it, but I'm saying it just might be it. So you might want to pay attention to the way.
I know it's been a while now. You're taking love in parts I've never heard of. I'm trying to figure out how I can show you now how I've been running out of things to.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Talent Love, and today I'm coming at you guys with an unboxing. So today's unboxing is from KayZeeJay Crafters, and I'm excited because, you know, you guys haven't seen me do an unboxing before. Now, one of my best friends does own this company, and I did pay for one of the items because it's a gift for someone else, which means when I have posted this video, I will have given it to her or whatnot, because she is on my Facebook. It's for my masseuse. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing, and the other two items were gifts to me. So I definitely wanted to showcase this to y'all, because like, y'all, I really don't know nobody that make custom cups this cute, or items. She does like birthday party items. Like, say if you need a birthday party done or whatever, then she'll do, like, she can do the whole entire party. And so I'll put clips of party stuff right here. So yeah, but before I get started though, because I need y'all to go ahead and give me a like, subscribe if you have not, and comment down below if you like the items, and tell me which one of the three was your favorite. Yeah, because I know y'all don't like the items. So she stopped past my house and brought me a thank you bag. It's so cute. Her package is so cute, and I like that she like packages it like as if I'm an actual customer. Even though I'm a customer, I'm still her friend, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I wanted to unbox this right here. And you guys, I have not seen these cups in person or whatnot. I have only seen them online. And if you're my friend on Facebook or IG, then you will have seen them too, but y'all haven't seen the last one. So okay, I'm gonna say the best for last. So we're going to start with the cup that I got made for my masseuse. So it's just like a drinking cup, because my masseuse really loves water, and every time I go there, there's like this, she has this water that has like lemon essential oil in it, but it's obviously like drinkable, and it's so refreshing. Like, they haven't had it cold in a long time, and I still miss it cold, but y'all, it's the best thing ever. And I know she drinks a lot of water because they always have it while they're there. And so I bought her a cup that says her name. It says Renata, and I know it's like a glare on it. I'm sorry guys, because I need my ring light. And then it says on the back, it has a logo, a little quote thing, and it says touch the body, heal the mind, calm the spirit, because I wanted something that said her. And then you guys, like, I like combed through her Facebook to see like what color she wore the most, and it was a red, because she's like in work clothes when I see her, obviously, because she's at work. So that's her cup, and it's so cute. And you guys, I had a cup similar to this already, but I messed it up. I dropped it, and I was so sad about it. And this is what started the whole cup business anyway, because not the business, but me ordering cup business, because I messed my Christmas cup up. So she remade it for me, but this time she didn't make it in teal. She made it in green with teal, and it says talent in this pretty gold, and then love in blue. And this blue looks lighter on camera, but it's teal and it's glittery. I'm trying to make it where I can see it. I'm so sorry to put this in y'all face, but I really want y'all to see like the, so pretty. So this is my new cup, and I'm so excited about it. It's so freaking beautiful. and it has like 2 of my favorite colors. I have 4 favorite colors: hot pink, teal, lime green, and purple. So you guys might want to remember that, because it might be just a question for my next giveaway that I'm going to do with 1,000 subscribers. I'm just saying, I'm not saying it's gonna be it, but I'm saying it just might be it. So you might want to pay attention to the way. Okay, so that's 1. I mean 2. So this one's the best for last, and it cracks me up because I'm looking right now and it says, "Thank you for your order, KayZeeJay Crafters." And this is the one that's like sealed with the top, and I'm like, this is the best for last. And this is so pretty. I don't want to rip it. Let me see. Cass, you shouldn't make your thingies so cute, because if someone rips them, I know they're made to be ripped, but you guys, oh my god, you guys, it's so much prettier in person. Oh my god. Okay, so this is so funny, y'all. I only wanted that cup, and she went all out. And she got me, she was like, I may or may not have went all out for your second cup, because it was some defect with this one. She said that she didn't want to give it to me, but I don't see it. I don't see it. But you know, when it's your own stuff, you see things. But this is like an insulated mug, and I think it holds hot and cold. Double stainless steel. Yeah, it's a thermal. I'm not sure if it holds cold too. I'm not sure if it holds cold too. It says thermal tumbler, so I think that it's for hot, but I'm pretty sure it'll keep cold because it has like the silver thing on the inside. But it's like really geared toward hot for sure, which is good, because I like leave the house with all kinds of things all the time. My newest thing is drinking hot water and vinegar, but it like, you could close the top here and then open it, and this is open. But this is what we're here for. So she told me she got this like this with the color on it from the store, but she ordered it from somewhere, and then she put my Talent Love here in teal, my favorite color, and then the love here. This is so stinking cute. But you guys, here's the kicker on the back. It says, because I saw this online when she sent me the video, it says, life isn't about finding yourself, life is about creating yourself. And if you guys remember, you watched my room tour, it's the quote back here on my wall, and it's in like, she made the glitter look almost exactly like it, and I'll put a clip of the picture from my last, from my room tour video in there or whatnot, so you could see it. But it says the exact same thing, and this is so cute and so freaking exciting. But I don't know, you guys. Oh, this is so nice. Like, and then first of all, we're gonna go ahead and put this, not this one, this is my special one. Oh, I would cry if something happened to her. I'm not even gonna speak that into existence. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this, we're gonna use this cup right now, because I know my friend, she got clean hands. So so y'all seen I was drinking my water. This is what I would do with my cups every night, but I will put, well, my other cup, and I will put ice in it from my freezer, you know, because we got a bomb ice maker that makes some bomb ice chips, nice and big, and just, they last all night. I didn't just throw that bottle on the floor. Mind your business. Mind your business. And I feel like, because you don't have to be like at a weird angle, these make you realize how thirsty you are, like how much thirstier you are. You just drink more when it's in, when it's coming out of straw. Straws are geniuses. My belly getting full. But anyway, you guys, I love you guys. I love you guys. Love you guys. I love you guys, Glam Squad. Hey, Glam. Anyway, Until next time, I'm gonna go ahead and go. It is, what time is it? What time is it? It's 2:39, y'all. Look, my case is so cute. I'm so obsessed with my phone. I wish I got to do an unboxing with y'all. I really do, but this is an OtterBox case. They make them cute now. Like, what? When I was getting OtterBox cases back in the day, they was making them so bulky and ugly, and that's why I had only got like, they was looking like they was for construction workers, so that's why I will only get like the little spec cases or whatnot. And it's this other brand that I had gotten that I adapted to, but when I saw they had glitter so my cobalt blue could show through, yeah. Anyway, guys, I'll see you on the next video. I love you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and edit my vlog today or whatever. Go check that out if you haven't seen it, where I'm talking, where I take myself out on a date. And if you're single, it's okay, girl. And if you don't like to be single, like, I love to be single, and if you don't like that, you know what I'm saying, I understand. Just take yourself out on a date and have a ball and spoil yourself and buy yourself a new iPhone. Take yourself out to eat, have a good time. Take yourself on the date that, you know, the best date ever, so that way no nigga can say they did it unless they're your husband. Your husband's gonna be able to beat your dates. I'm speaking it into existence with your future husband. I love you guys so much. I gotta go. I'm rambling. It's almost 3 in the morning. I'm rambling. I love you guys. Bye.